Hello guys, welcome to Cruise Control. The new 2023 Honda CR-V will debut in the first quarter of next year. The Japanese maker remained true to its proven formula with respect to the design of the exterior. Its exterior design was updated, however, the distinct dimensions and shapes that embellished and predecessors were preserved. The interior has been made more modern and, it could be considered to be more coherent in comparison to the older generation. The bodywork has been refurbished and is slightly bigger in dimensions, as well as a longer wheelbase, will be exhibited with the 2023 Honda CR-V at a well-known auto show, and also provide some innovative solutions were not available prior to. It is important to note that the view from the road as well as the 7-inch screens below can accommodate 7 passengers, should the buyer opts for this option. The new model appears like its predecessor that has been successful, mainly in its appearance. The front and side views, but the rear ends are more intriguing. The familiar design of the most popular Honda SUV remains. The brand new model 2023 Honda CR-V is long, high and much less expensive than the model before it. Furthermore, the latest model, due to the enhanced wheel arches that are sculpted, has a more refined design. The latest SUV strikes the perfect blend of style and athleticism. It features a pillar that is thinner that allow for more space inside the vehicle as well as larger wheels. Sharp lines can be seen on the hood as well as the rear panels. The front of the vehicle has a fresh Honda style with distinctive front lighting. The interior is more contemporary and, it could be called, better organized than the current generation. The 2023 version of the Honda CR-V also got a digital instrument panel. It's not going to be the most popular choice for traditionalists, and it comes with a brand new steering wheel. The story also focuses on driving, and that implies that, like Civic atmospheric petrol, the latter will be being replaced with turbo engine. The new model is 1.5 liter with 190 horsepower, and the same is available in Europe according to claims below the lead. We could see an 1 liter turbocharged 130 horsepower. Diesel will remain the same 1.6 liter IDTEC with 120 horsepower and 160 horsepower that comes with 2 turbochargers. We exist anticipating the takeoff of the brand latest Honda CR-V 2023 in the first quarter of the year 2022. The initial price of the vehicle will be approximately $24,000. The competitors of this brand fresh Honda CR-V are Subaru Forester, Ford Escape, Hyundai Santa Fe along with Jeep Cherokee. Whether you agree or disagree with my views, I love to read your comments. Thanks for watching, and stay safe everyone.